Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So the word of the week is resilience in ocean shipping. Now, why is this? The United States Trade Rep has implemented dramatic fees on ships that are owned, operated, and or built in China. So this will impact about 60% of regular ships and 90% of project cargo, meaning larger, heavier items. It'll also impact 70% of cranes. So these are substantial headwinds. So you should be doing one of three things. Number one is you should pivot and change your shipping alliance to one less reliant on China. Number two, you need to reallocate the lanes within your shipping alliance. So use a China-built ship for a different lane and use a Japan or Korean built ship for US. And number three is to use smaller ships that don't carry large fines, like the less than 4,000 TEUs. In addition, you should be building resilience and encouraging investment into shipbuilding, ports, and related infrastructure.